Hi again, everybody. It is Tuesday, February 8th, 2022. Yesterday, we put out the timing window. Timing window, the low of the day came in right at the beginning of the window, and it triggered off a nice long trade. I think it was about 28-point move or so. Could have got a good chunk of that. As I mentioned, we were going to be in a consolidation phase. Based on the Astro Excel green line. We're going to look at that today for the week. So you can see that we are flatlining around the zero line here. You can see from Sunday night the 6th through yesterday the 7th into the 8th here. We're pretty much flat, just running on the zero line, and we're finally going to start to push down around 1500 hours today. We're going to start to push down through tomorrow into the early morning on the 10th. And then at that point, we start to move up through the 10th and the 11th. So that's the general trend guide for the week. So it looks like more of a consolidation today. And then we get a little bit of movement tomorrow and then again into Friday, but we never break outside the 10 lines. So there's not going to be a lot of Astro influence on here. I marked these vertical lines on the blue line spikes here to give some key potential reversal time. So I'm not going to go through all those, but if you have these tools, you always want to pay attention to those blue line spikes for likely pivot points. So I'm going to leave that there today. That's the trend for the rest of the week. Flat into the afternoon, 1500, down into the early morning of the 10th, and then a slight upward bias through the rest of Thursday and Friday. So that's what you got going here. We will talk to you guys again on Wednesday.